Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Cane Pole Willie. Just made it out here to the lake this morning. This is a nice small little lake here, a couple miles off the interstate, off I-40 here by Clarksville. Got two different rods. Got a 6'6" Bass Pro Shop micro light fiberglass rod, super whippy. Got a BEETLE spin on there, same one I've been using, that chartreuse and purple tube. We also got a new pole. We got a Bucks custom B&M 12-foot jigging pole. I'm gonna try that out. I've got some Nico soft plastics I'm gonna try out, but basically we're just gonna float around this lake here, drop it in there, see if we can get some bluegill. I'll show y'all those poles. All right, here's the rods I'm using today. Got the Bass Pro Shop micro light glass, little fiberglass whippy rod, and on that one got this same little BEETLE spin I've been using with this purple and chartreuse tube. Then the new rod, we got the B&M Bucks Customs 12-foot, basically like a fancy cane pole. Got the little jig reel down here. I'll show y'all the little decal, 12-foot, super long. And on there we got this right here, a little Nico Dappy Stonefly, not even an inch long. You can see it's kind of like a little cricket imitation. Got them on a little jig here. We'll see if we can get some bluegill. Got one. Nice, right out there on the dock. Heck yeah, first fish today. They've been paddling around for 30 minutes or so. Oh, it's a crappie. Oh man, not bad crappie either. Heck yeah. Oh man, not bad. My best crappie yet. That's awesome, man. Big old eyes. These things are awesome. Oh yeah, I got one on the jig pole. Heck yeah, on that Nico. Another crappie. Oh gosh. Boom. Heck yeah. Boom. Just resting up here on this dock. Dropping that little Nico soft plastic down. Got me another crappie. 2 crappies so far. Heck yeah. Found this little old dock over here and caught a crappie on each one of the rods. So that's pretty cool. Got one on the spinner, one on a little Nico jig. Hell yeah. Oh man, good size long-eared sunfish. Not bad. That's a pretty good size long-eared sunfish. Usually catching those in the creek, but it's cool to get one in the lake. Yeah. Oh yeah. I think that's a little bluegill. Man, heck yeah. 2 crappies. Two crappies, 1 long ear, and a bluegill. Not bad. Not bad at all. Oh, got a fish. Running up on the bank over here. I think we probably got another bluegill. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, another bluegill. Not too bad. Boom. These are nice and pale. They don't have the vertical stripes like some of them do, but Oh, another bluegill. All right, another bluegill. Oh, that one feels good. Oh yeah. Definitely fighting like a bluegill. Oh yeah. This one's clean. Real clean. I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell here, but this is where the dirty lake water and this little creek are meeting. And you can kind of see the water, different colors of it rolling around. And man, it seemed to be a couple bluegill in this area. Probably looking for food, drifting down the creek or whatever it may be. Got one. Oh. Oh yeah. This one's fighting pretty good. Oh, not bad. Pretty good one. Man, this is the spot right here. Right where that dirty lake water meets that creek. Not bad. Another one. Man, this is the spot right here. I know I keep saying it, but that's where that creek water meets the dirty lake water. And man, they're all grouped up right here. Maybe it's just some cooler creek water or something. I'm not sure. But either way, man, I figured this is a good source to find some food. But man, back-to-back bluegills. It's like 5 in this little area. Come out of there. Man, that's kind of the trick. It's like just floating around, casting. And as soon as you locate one though, seems like you always get a couple more after that. I think that's a little otter or a beaver or something, not sure. Got him. Oh, he's a cutie, little froggy. I'm not sure what kind of frog that is, but nice and green, real pretty. Man, just cruising the bank. Look at that though. The boy is long. So long. Fish. Oh, another bluegill. Not bad. Boom. Fish right on the drop. I love when that happens. Before you can even start reeling, there's something on there. Oh, another bluegill. Man, it seems like the bluegill in this lake are super clean. Like, nice, bright, pale colors. Sometimes you'll find the darker ones. Maybe these are Maybe these are the males. I've heard the females are the dark ones. Oh yeah, another bluegill. Bet that snake would like to eat one of them. Fish. Probably another bluegill. Oh, we got a good bass. Oh yeah, good jump. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. Oh yeah. Man, these beetle spins always get the bluegill. It's almost guaranteed you get a bass or two. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Boom. Not bad. Let me get a picture of this guy. Another trip down. Man, had a great day out here chasing the bluegill around. And kind of the cool thing about these beetle spins is they seem to attract a whole bunch of different fish along with the bluegill. So ended up having a nice multi-species day. Got some crappie there early in the morning, long-eared sunfish, whole gang of bluegill. And then they're at the end, got a bass just to top it off. But all in all, a great day out here. Frogs, birds, snakes, fish. Man, that's my type of day. Anyway, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Hopefully we're about to get a bunch of different bluegill videos going. I'm gonna try and hit up all these little lakes in northwest Arkansas, central Arkansas, and may even take it down east and try and get some swamp action. But you guys just gonna have to stay tuned and be keeping up with these videos, man. I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.